Hello guys, today I've got around 300 Lego blocks in front of me, and we're going to turn them into something really special. I'm building a fully custom Lego car, no roof, no limits, and designed to look like a luxury racing machine. This isn't just any build, this is gonna be a clean, open-top, high-performance Lego car that stands out from anything you've seen before. So stick around, because the final result is going to look insane. Alright, let's get started with the chassis. This is the base of the entire car, so it has to be strong, stable, and perfectly balanced. I'm carefully choosing the longest and strongest pieces from the 300 blocks I have. Building the foundation is always the most important step, because if the base is solid, the rest of the design becomes much easier. As I lock these pieces together, just imagine how cool this car is going to look when everything is assembled. Sleek front, open top, and a full racing vibe. As the chassis starts coming together, I'm already planning where the engine bay, seats, and rear section will go. Even though this car has no roof, it's going to have that premium luxury feeling, like a mix between a race car and a high-end roadster. And trust me, the details are what will make it look next level, so make sure you watch till the end, because the final build is going to surprise you. Let's keep going. Now that the chassis is ready, it's time to move on to the exciting part. And yes, I completely forgot to tell you earlier, we're also upgrading this car with a powerful engine setup. I want this build to look and feel like a real high-performance machine, so I'm adding a detailed engine block right in the front. It's going to give the car that authentic racing vibe. Along with the engine, I'm also installing a small Lego gearbox. This is just a Lego build, but adding a gearbox makes the whole structure look more realistic, almost like the car could actually run. These little details make such a big difference when you're building something custom from scratch. And of course, we can't forget the interior. Since this is an open-top luxury racing car, I'm placing 2 seats inside, one for the driver and one for the passenger. I'm choosing pieces that look sleek, comfortable, and stylish, so the inside matches the premium look of the outside. Once the seats are in, the whole car starts to come to life. Alright, let's keep building. There's still a lot more to add, and the final result is going to look amazing.